Lesson 66, Referring Words. Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to talk about referring words, the words we use to refer back to ideas, topics, and arguments in a text. These words help organize our writing and speech, making it more cohesive and easier to follow. This is especially useful for academic writing, debates, and structured arguments. So, let us get started. Text referring words. First, let us look at text referring words. These words take their meaning from the surrounding text. For example, if we say, "We decided to look at the problem again and try to find a solution," the words problem and solution help organize the argument, but they do not tell us the topic. They refer to something mentioned elsewhere. Here are some examples. The word in bold refers to the underlined words. Pollution is increasing. The problem is getting worse each day. Should taxes be raised or lowered? This was the biggest issue in the election. Issue means a topic causing great argument and controversy. Whether the war could have been avoided is a question that interests historians. Let us discuss crime. That is always an interesting topic. Topic is a subject to argue about or discuss, for example, in a debate or essay. Punishment is only one aspect of crime. Aspect means a part of the topic. Problem-solution words. Text-referring words are often used in problem-solution types of text, where a problem is presented and ways of solving it are discussed. In the following example, the words in bold concern a problem or a solution. Try to learn these words as a family. The situation in our cities with regard to traffic is going from bad to worse. Congestion is a daily feature of urban life. The problem is now beginning to affect our national economies. Unless a new approach is found to control traffic, we will never find a solution to the dilemma. In the dialogue below, two politicians are arguing. Note how the words in bold refer to parts of the argument. A. Your claim that we are doing nothing to invest in industry is false. We invested £10 billion last year. You have ignored this fact. B. But the investment has all gone to service industries. The real point is that we need to invest in our manufacturing industries. A. That argument is out of date in a modern technological society. Our position has always been that we should encourage technology. B. But that view will not help to reduce unemployment. Problem-solution word families. Now, let us look at problem-solution words grouped in families associated with the underlined keywords. The prepositions normally used with them are given in brackets. Situation, state of affairs, position with regard to. Problem, difficulty, which is more formal, crisis, matter. Response to, reaction to, attitude to, approach to. Solution, answer to, resolution to, key to, way out of. Evaluation of the solution, assessment, judgment. Here is an example that uses these words. Economically, the government is in a critical position. This state of affairs is partly a result of the financial difficulties currently being experienced globally. Our government's initial response to the situation was to impose higher taxes. This approach has not proved to be the solution to the problem. Economists' current assessment is that this may in fact be making matters worse. So, that is our lesson on referring words. These words and word families will help you organize your arguments, refer back to ideas, and make your writing and speech more cohesive and structured.